Buongiorno a tutti, tutti.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, to everyone. Dear friends, physicians, staff, distributors, and especially dear staff or dear family, because we are all a family. I welcome all of you to this WS Summit. My name is Francesco Marangoni. I'm the CEO of Eufoton, and I wish to welcome all of you to this wonderful city in this unique location that hopefully won't be flooded in the next years, because we are very close to the sea. In the next few hours. I have to say from the outset that I might get a bit too excited, perhaps, when I speak about my family in the next 5 minutes. For these 25 years, we've always been original. We've been aware of our roots, and at the same time, we've tried to be constantly innovative and aim at constant improvement. That, I think, is the essence of Eufoton. Results, hearts, roots, present and future. But I want to start with some facts and figures. Plus 768%. This is one of our best results concerning today's topic, Endolift and EndoliftXpert, since between 2019 and 2023, and the trend for 2024 is still moving up. We've all selective because we want excellent solutions, and we want to be selective together. We only select partners who really have the aims of our patients at heart, and we only work with doctors and physicians that want to distinguish themselves through the quality of what they do. One of the pillars of Eufoton's creation is the selectivity of its selective photothermolysis. Selectivity is a key characteristic of our lasers, but also of all the people that work and revolve around Eufoton. This means, first and foremost, the awareness of what began to grow in 1999, when the founders of Eufotons had a vision of success focusing on the happiness of our patients, which would also, of course, imply the satisfaction of all the people that are part of this value chain, not only patients, but also physicians, distributors, all partners, and the company itself. I think the heart of Eufoton can be described by a phrase: your real needs. And are the needs at the heart of our endeavors. There's a deep understanding of real needs. We recognize that our success is closely linked to the well-being of all those involved in this value chain. The guiding principle is deeply rooted in my father's legacy, who exemplified wisdom and balance throughout his life. Today, there are 420 people from 40 countries, and I'm proud to say that I am meeting most of you for the first time. We've become really an international business. Today's and future achievements come from the history of the Marangoni family, and especially its pioneer, my father, Ovidio. And this gradually expanded to our extended family. All the other pioneers are physicians, collaborators, partners, distributors, opinion leaders, patients, and the whole value chain. So the first protagonists are these. the pioneers. The keywords were wisdom and balance. But I want to start from my father. Behind a story, there's a man, there's a family, and there's a dream. He has always been a very careful, perfectionist person, often accused of being too honest, very much in love with life, with his family, and with his work. That means his patients, the conferences he attended, his books, and laser science in general. The company's target from the beginning was excellence, as I said. The same excellency pursued when he was in an OR. Patients' healthy veins was his first target, but we have to remember that if we have Endolift and EndoliftX, this too came from his brain. So I want to thank Pier Antonio from the bottom of my heart. In 2004, you met him, and you talked about this great intuition that through 10 injectors and the small fibers that we use for phlebology, we were able to pursue this skin remodeling, this harmonic beauty. I remember the meeting in Barcelona in 2004, and that was when EndoliftX was created. So I thank you very much indeed.
Ho voluto usare una fotografia dell'epoca perché mi...
I also need to mention Daniel Cassuto. In 2006, he realized that there was a chance to do something for people that had fillers complications that were starting to crop up at the time, and we're going to talk about this at length at the end of this day. But I want to thank very much Daniel for his immense devotion in perpetuating my dad's intuitions and work. And then again, Roberto Dell'Avanzato, Daniel Cassuto, Luigi Mazzi, and the late Zoran Zgaliotic. I gave you a chance in 2009 to perform the first surgical laser lipolysis with a new wavelength that proved to be winning. I want also to thank Roberto Dell'Avanzato. After 2012, he dedicated his work to expanding the use of Endolift outside the operating room. And I also wish, last but not least, to thank Riccardo Forte, responsible for the passage from Endolift to EndoliftX. And I want to thank him for his endless care in improving constantly all the details that may have appeared irrelevant in the past, but proved to be fundamental. I chose to show pictures instead of other names of all these people for reasons of time, but I want to thank all the chairmen and chairpersons here today, some of the speakers that you see here, and last but not least, I want to thank all my staff, especially 3 persons that have been dealing with the organization of this day for months now. Their work gave us this chance to make this event unforgettable. Their contribution is not only aimed, of course, for this, but today is our 25th birthday. Eufoton is a synonym of reliability, solidity, and trust. These are our roots, the characteristics that we've always given to what we've done. Being original means being aware of one's roots while aiming at a constant, endless improvement. So we've always been original. We've exploited balanced and wise traditions while innovating and improving our work day after day. This conference opens up our prospects for the future, and here you see a list of our certifications that we have achieved, and we have also opened our EndoliftX Academy. We've explored the essence of Eufoton, starting from its results, the awareness of its value and the value chain, the heart that pushes forward, and we thank you for your collaboration, and we thank our extended family for their collaboration. Having said that, I will stop here and thank you for your presence again. I want to end with a statement. Together we're building new success in the world with originality. Thank you very much and enjoy the conference.